Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is V and I make videos about like journaling, planning, language learning and all of this, but today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of this. So this is actually not for me, it's for my husband. It's his Christmas gift. My husband and me started watching One Piece this year, like around February, and we finished all the episodes that are available online. I think like October. So after that, he started watching the manga and reading the manga, and he got like really like a big fan of One Piece. So I decided that why not combine something that he likes with something that I really love, which is planning. And I decided to buy him a planner for next year. This is also a Hobonichi planner. And again, sorry for the shadow because, you know, winter, I need to use the light. But yeah, so let's put this a little bit in there so we can see this planner. So let's open it together to see it because I'm also really excited to see what is inside. I watched so many videos about it, but I don't really know. So this is the planner. It comes in this bag, like really similar as the Hobonichi cousin, and it actually comes with some stuff inside as well. So it has this theme, like all the planners that I have bought, the weeks mega and the cousin, they all come with this. So this one also have the same paper inside and it's all written in Japanese. But yeah, so it comes with this one and also comes with this in here, and it's just a little demonstration of how it looks inside. But as I said, this is the Japanese version and my husband doesn't know Japanese. It's really sad, but they don't have any One Piece like English edition, so I guess he has to deal with it. So this is the front page. It has One Piece Hobonichi Techo 2023, the original. It has this binding that is black, and in the back it just have One Piece magazine by Hobonichi Techo. So this is really cool. So when we open it, it has in here like really similar to the cousin. This is like a way smaller size than the cousin. Give me a second. Okay, so the size of this is really small compared with the other ones. I already showed you guys these ones, but this is the cousin that is like this big, and if we compare it with the cousin, is way smaller. It's a A6 size. And then if we compare it with the weeks, that is this one, is also pretty smaller. It's a little bigger in here in this side, but it's way smaller in here. So this is the A6 size. So as I mentioned, in the inside it's really similar to the cousin, but then when we open it in here, again really similar to the cousin. It also comes with this One Piece magazine invitation. So this is cool. Is some information about the collaboration between the One Piece magazine and Hobonichi Techo. I think this will be cool to put it somewhere in here. It has the straw hair drawing. But then moving on, it has again the 2023, 2022, 2024. This is something that I have shown already in my Hobonichi collection. That this mainly I don't like it, but this is for my husband. So let's see what he thinks. The difference is that all the ones that I bought are in English and these ones are in Japanese. So it has the days of the week in Japanese. So I may have to make some changes in there so he can understand this. It starts on Monday until Sunday. And then in here it comes with the yearly log, really similar to the cousin. We have December 2022 and it goes all the way to it goes all the way to March of 2024. So it has many pages and a lot of space to write in. And then it comes with the monthly. It starts in December 2022 and goes all the way to, let's see, so many pages in here. It goes all the way November, December, January. Okay, January, February, and February, March. It goes until March 2024, which is really similar to the cousin that I showed you guys already before. And this is really interesting because it has the holidays like White Day in here, but it's in Japanese. So again, I may have to do something for him to understand. At least a good thing is that in here it also comes in English, so he can actually relate in here some of the days and months and kanjis and everything by next year. So that's that's really interesting. Then moving on, it has this, turning the page to a new year. This is exactly the same as the Hobonichi cousin. This also had that in there. It comes in here with a really small of 2023 January, 2022 December. And then moving on, it comes into the monthly. This is really different from the Hobonichi cousin, because if we see the cousin in here, that we start with the, in this case, the dailies. Give me 1 second. If we start with the dailies, it just comes in here with a really blank page. There is no design in there. But this one, since it's One Piece edition, it comes with a little drawing. And this is something that I was watching on another videos on the internet. Every month, supposedly every month, have like a different design. So let's try to check that. So we go into February. In February, it has this. And then we go into March. In March, it's going to have this one with Sabo and Porky the Ace and Luffy when they were kids. And then we move into April. And then April is going to have this one in here. And then if we move into May, I'm sorry, this is going really slowly. We go into May, we have Luffy in here. And then if we go into June, we got Whitebeard in here with Ace. And then if we move into July, July has this one in here. Oh God, this guy is really funny. Into July, and then August is going to have this one. And then moving on, we have September. Let's see which one is going to have. September is going to have this one. And then October is going to have my girl Robin. This is one of my favorite characters from One Piece. And then we go into November, and we have this one in here. And then we go into December, and December is going to have this one. Okay, the King of the Pirates. So yes, so I guess they were right. Every single month is going to have in here an illustration. And also, since this is the daily, it has in here the character of the day of the week. So this one is going to be Thursday, and the month in here and the day. So I may have to make a little, keynote for my husband to understand this. But this is really interesting. Something else that I was also reading online is that this journal also comes like some of the days. It has some characters, and it's the day that they, like the birthday or something like that they were explaining. So let me see if I find any of them. I think, yes, so you see in here, so this is May 5th, that is a Friday, and it has in here Luffy, which is interesting because it's the Child's Day or Children's Day, Kodomo no Hi. And then it may have many other ones. Oh, it has Brooks in here, and it has Laboon. I always call him Baboon, but it has like many other characters in some random days in there. I know that I saw in February, I think I saw Robin, like in the 6th or something. Yes, Robin is in here in the 6th. So it may have some of these characters in the days. Then after that, it has in here some phrases. So these phrases are actually from the manga. And so this is like Nico Robin in Olivia, what they said. But this is in Japanese as well. So I may tell my husband to use like Google Translate, the image feature, and try to, like the camera feature, and try to put it on in here and take a picture and try to translate it in that way to understand it. Because it's going to take a long time for me if I try to do all of that. But yeah, so these are all the days. And the days goes until December. And then after the days, we got in here some note pages. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 15. These actually have so many more note pages than the cousin. Let me see how many did the cousin has. I think the cousin didn't really have so many. Like it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's like the double of this one since it's a smaller journal. that makes sense. Then after that, it moved into here, and it has some information, like historical information about One Piece in here with years, like 20 years ago. And it comes all the way here. Oh, in here, this is really cool. It has some small images of the manga. Oh, I like this one with Brooks. And then it moves in here. In here, it has some of these things to take notes, I guess. And then in here, One Piece. This is really cool because, you know, like how I was complaining a lot about that the casting in here. Let me try to find it out. Okay, that the casting in here has these favorite things, and it was like movie, TV show, and it was actually really like, you know, I didn't really know how to fill it out. So this one for One Piece, it has the One Piece edition in here. So this is really cool because it's like the character that I like the most. Like, I don't know, like the island I want to go or the city I want to live in. This is actually really cool. And it's like if we become friends, then, oh, so this is really cool to fill it out. And then in here, it has the wanted posters. So this is really also really nice. I know I have been saying really cool many times, but this is cool. I know like my husband really loved the wanted posters. So I think I may be using my printer. Give me 1 second to show you. So I think I may be using this small printer that I have, that is the Canon IB. And then I may print out really small faces or anything that my husband likes in here, like any of the characters, and put it in here. Let's see which one he likes. But this is like, yeah, Dead or Alive, and just putting here like a reward. This is really interesting. Then moving on, in here it has the favorites. Oh my god, I love this. Like, this is Sanji's face, like when he sees a girl. This is really funny. But yeah, it has the favorites, and this has like, okay, so many pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has many more pages than the other one, because I remember that the other one I was able to cover. I did it in monthly, so I was able to cover until December, and then there were 2 extras. This one seems to have many more. I guess to put like favorite episodes or something like that. So it still have like so many cool details in here. So we can see in here that we have Chopper and we have Usopp, really small. So this is really, really interesting and nice that it has like really small details. So in here I have like the 100. So this is really similar to, and it's like for whatever he wants to write it down in there. In here there is more information in here about One Piece. And then they have like so much information in here. I don't think my husband may use any of these pages because, as I mentioned, he doesn't really know Japanese. I don't think he's gonna use those. At least this one's in here has gifts, but in here is all Japanese. So I don't think he's gonna fill out this. Then here's like the gifts. This is also really similar to the one that it came. And then in here it comes a lot of years, I think. Information of the years and addresses. Personal notes. This actually comes with many more different things than the one of the cousin. The cousin didn't have all these things. Of course, it has this, but that's all for this journal. I love that it has so many cute designs everywhere. But yeah, this is the journal. So this is going to be my Christmas gift. So with this, I actually bought like a clear thing. So let's see if this fits. It seems to be really big. But something that happened to me before with the cousin, yeah, no, this is not going to fit. Oh my gosh. So I hate this because I bought this on Amazon, and Amazon recommended to buy together these two, but it's too big, so I cannot use it. Ah, damn it, I have to return it. So yeah, this same thing happened to me with the cousin. And when I saw that these ones arrived earlier, so when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, the journal is gonna be really small, but it's way smaller than that. So I guess I have to return this. What does this says? Oh, cover and cover. So yeah, this. So if you buy it on Amazon, just make sure you don't make this mistake like me, and they recommend you to buy them together, but they don't fit. So why buy them together? Like I was trying to look at the kind of like the cover that has like Luffy for this one. It's actually really expensive. So I just wanted to buy a clear cover, but yeah, apart from this, I also made, I think you already saw some clips, or if you don't see it, I'm gonna put the clips in here, but I made this random thing My printer is not the best, so I didn't print it black, but it's just the straw heads flat, and I just put it for him to separate any of the pages in here that he may want to put it, to separate it. And then apart from that, I'm going to give him like so many of these stickers in here, and I also have many more stickers in here about One Piece in case that he wants to put it in there. But this is like my gift for my husband. I already gave him like so many other One Piece related things before, like a blanket and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is going to be his Christmas gift. So this video may be coming after Christmas. So let me know if you bought one of these One Piece one. I know they also have the wigs that I really wanted to buy the wigs, but I was reading that this one had so many more details inside the pages. So that's why I decided to buy this one. But yeah, so this is a little flip through of the Hobonichi Techo original One Piece edition. And as I mentioned, this one is not going to be for me. So this is going to be the first and last time that you see it. And it's going to be for my husband. So thank you so much for watching. And let me know if you like this video, if you like this kind of unboxing, flip through to different journals kind of videos. But yeah, so thank you so much for joining. I hope you have a wonderful day and see you next time.